Feeling under the weather? These homemade herbal cough drops are my go-to for a natural soothing remedy. Start with 2 tablespoons of hibiscus, lavender, and peppermint plus the zest of 1 orange. Add 1 cup of boiling water, letting the herbs seep until the mixture cools. Then strain it through a nut milk bag or muslin cloth, making sure to squeeze out all the liquid. Next, stir in 1 cup of honey. Cook this blend on medium heat for about 30 minutes, stirring frequently so you avoid burning. This step is key to help the cough drops harden. Trust me, I learned it the hard way. Then pour the liquid into a mold, let them cool, and pop them out, and you're ready to use them.